This 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29T is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, TV antenna, spare tire kit, external shower, refrigerator, slide-out, microwave, water heater, smoke detector, air conditioning, self-contained, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 29T is 6,428 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.